Okay, so authoritarian / dictator. If you often say, because I said so, or end of discussion, when your child questions a rule or something you ask them, you focus more.
I just want to clarify for this group. I'm sure nobody in this group ever uses the words "because I said so," but there are parents out there who still try to use that line. My goodness, that one. Just remove it from your vocabulary. I literally remember the day I did that. It was just one of those moments. I thought I will never, ever say that again. And it was one of the best commitments I ever made. One of the best commitments I ever made was say, you know what? I will never say that again to my children.
And I butt in. My mom would use that a lot with me because I'm the mom. That's why, like something along those lines. And I hated it so much because I was like, that makes no sense whatsoever. Like, it just doesn't. I'm asking you why, and like, that's the answer. Do you think I'm stupid? Like, do you think I'm just gonna accept that? Like, so I grew up with that, and so same thing. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna use that. Like, I know what it is to be on the receiving end of that. So I'm like,
Yeah.
Same. That was probably a catalyst for me. And you're right. When you think through it, it's like, oh, wait a minute. If this is a very intelligent child I'm speaking to here, just saying, well, I'm the dad, so this is the way it is. Well, that doesn't make any sense. And it can be insulting. So if you've used it before, you get a pass. Today's the day we draw the line in the sand, ladies and gentlemen. Remove that one from our vocabulary.
And I remember for me, I don't remember like a hard cut and dried experience like that, but I remember this feeling of like, well, if I can't really come up with any other reason besides that, then I don't really have a good reason. I remember thinking that, like, for me, if I can't explain it, then I don't really know why I'm telling or asking them to do it. And if I don't know why, then I guess I need to be more thoughtful because I need to know why I'm doing it rather than simply because I said so, I'm the mom and you need to obey me. Because the other key here is if we focus more on obedience than helping our children understand, that is authoritarian or dictator parenting. We expect instant compliance without explaining why. Again, going back to that. If we think we shouldn't have to explain why to our children, that is being the dictator.